Here's what you need to know about what is AAA. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network plus exam. Let's get into it. AAA stands for Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. It is a security framework that controls who can access a network, what they are allowed to do, and logs what they actually did. AAA is fundamental to network access control and is implemented through protocols like RADIUS and TACACS+. Key concept: authentication. Who are you? Authentication verifies the identity of a user or device before granting access. Methods include passwords, certificates, smart cards, biometrics, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. If authentication fails, access is denied. Key concept: authorization. What can you do? After authentication, authorization determines what resources the user can access and what actions they can perform. Policies define permissions. An IT admin gets more access than a guest user on the same network. Key concept: accounting. What did you do? Accounting logs all user activity, login times, commands run, resources accessed, and session duration. These logs are essential for security audits, compliance, and investigating incidents. Key concept: AAA protocols. RADIUS versus TACACS+. RADIUS is the most common AAA protocol and encrypts only the password. TACACS+ is Cisco proprietary, encrypts the entire session, and separates authentication from authorization, making it preferred for device administration. Let's look at the full breakdown. Authentication: verify identity before access. Methods: password, MFA certificate, example, VPN login screen. Authorization: define what access is allowed, based on role, group, or policy. Example, admin versus read-only access. Accounting: log all user activity and sessions. Tracks login time, commands, data used. Example, compliance audit trail. Here's a real-world example. A network engineer connects to a Cisco router via SSH. TACACS+ authenticates the engineer using their Active Directory credentials, authentication, checks their role, and grants only show commands, no configuration access, authorization, and logs every command typed during the session with timestamps, accounting. The logs are reviewed after a network change causes an outage. Quick recap before you go. 1. AAA authentication, who? Authorization, what access? Accounting, what happened? 2. Authentication, verify identity using passwords, MFA, certificates, or biometrics. 3. Authorization, define permissions after identity is confirmed. 4. Accounting, log all activity for audits, compliance, and incident investigation. 5. RADIUS encrypts only passwords. TACACS+ encrypts the full session, Cisco. That's what is AAA covered. Exam tip: know the 3 A's and their order. Authentication first, then authorization, then accounting. RADIUS uses UDP ports 1812, auth, and 1813, accounting. TACACS+ uses TCP port 49 and encrypts the entire packet, not just the password. Next up, what is RADIUS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.